might be breaking. Alright guys, best news in the world. The limo is awaiting our arrival. I don't know if it's done or not yet with the first round of stuff we're working on. But we've got a lot of parts and butts here. What's that? I have no idea. I just went, what is that?
You just buy everything purple that you can find on Amazon?
Just for the limo.
Oh man.
Oh, those are nice.
Wow. Replacing the sheepskin.
That's gonna look nice.
I think that's real fur.
What is that?
I have no idea.
I don't either.
10? You got a 10?
I didn't.
That looks like a 10.
I didn't buy a tent.
Snow chains.
Dude, that took me a minute. Those are heavy duty.
Oh man.
Oh, put that in that pile.
Hey, what you
open it?
Don't open that?
Yeah, that's for later.
They were.
Oh, that's not for this either.
Nope.
Oh, that's an armrest cover, dude. That thing's nice.
The license plate bezel?
Check these out. 60 feet of LED rope light. Are they sweet?
They're purple.
Yes.
Did you literally just type in purple on Amazon and buy everything that came up?
Purple car accessories.
Perfect.
All right, guys, we're going over to BeerTech right now. All right, the moment of truth.
You ready?
I don't know if it's a... Hello, hello? Look at this. Look where the tire's sitting now in the wheel well. So, could these things have fallen off?
That one was pretty close.
So 85 mile an hour top speed. I mean, 131 mile an hour top speed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we could have died for sure.
We wouldn't have died. This thing is built like a tank. So what all did we find that's wrong with it?
The main thing was the bushings. I've got the old one over here. So here's one of the bushings. This is supposed to be closer to this. As you can see, nothing left there. And the nut and the washer were totally missing.
Okay, so when,
hanging out there.
so in the last video you could see this one would touch. Like, actually I think it would touch.
Yep.
Right there. So that's good.
That's a huge plus.
Yeah, and we didn't die. Nobody died. What do you think of this motor? What is this motor even? I don't even know.
It's a V8.
V8.
It's horrible to work on.
It looks.
You can see.
It looks miserable.
Yeah.
Is this what 1982 emissions look like?
Yes. Yeah, mechanical
We're
fuel
just going to
injection,
choke it to the
vacuum
point where it
hoses.
can't breathe at all?
Yep.
Perfect.
So what would be? Let's say if the motor dies, if we blow it up, what would be the best? What would be the cheapest, easiest thing to put in here?
We put an LS in it.
Would it be relatively? I mean, it's doable.
Oh yeah, it's doable.
I'm ready to blow
Should we
it up.
blow it up? The other thing was, one of the big problems with the car was it needed a power steering pump, is what the quote had said.
The war cry.
The war cry. So is the war cry gone?
The only one I heard was from the belts, and it was actually the alternator belt was loose. So tighten that up, and that seems good to go.
All right. Other than that, what's the condition? I mean, is it look?
We did remove some exhaust. I think you're
Should
gonna be
we
happy.
start it up?
Let's hear it.
Oh my God. It's perfect.
Oh. So is this good to go? We can take it?
Absolutely. It's ready to roll.
Dude, check this out. I wasn't sure. I thought this thing, honestly, when we brought it in here, I thought, I thought weeks.
It was going to be
I thought
weeks.
parts and all that. So we're over at BeerTech in Hudson, Wisconsin. What all do you work on?
Pretty much anything, as you can see. Try to stick to the BMWs and some of the LS-based stuff, but yeah.
So like LS-based Rolls Royces.
Right.
All right, so huge shout out to Charlie here. He got us all pimped out. How'd it drive?
Like a new car.
Was it good?
Yeah. Yeah, it was great. Everything worked.
It smelled like intense burning.
Did it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, that LS might be sooner than we thought.
So Charlie went over, there was a couple options for this straight piping, and we could there is one more option. If this isn't quite loud enough, we can go like straight piped. Dude, I live in like a neighborhood and things and stuff, and like I'm gonna have to put my wife in here, so we have to ease her into it just being absolutely insane where you can't even think. So we're gonna go take it for a drive. We're gonna go get some footage of it under load from inside, see what it sounds like.
That's fancy. There's diamonds, real diamonds.
Those are real diamonds. We've got the floor mats, and check this out. This is the best modification yet.
Just running your toes through that.
Got a freaking magic carpet back here. Wait for it. It sounds so good.
This times how long your customers are in the car for.
Also, we know how much to charge them.
How much to charge? See,
What should we
4
charge an
seconds,
hour?
5 seconds. Well, depends on who's riding, I guess.
It's going to be expensive.
It's not going to be
Especially
cheap.
with all the modifications.
Well, and they got to pay to get it here. I mean, it was 1,500 miles.
Clock's a ticking.
Yep.
I'm guessing this GoPro is all over my business because it's very close to my face.
Hello, Ryan.
Yeah. All right. So, do you think? What are the odds we get pulled over on this trip?
Probably pretty high.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
That power will get away from you.
Dude, it sounds good.
Watch out.
Oh, jeez.
Almost died. Oh, boy.
Whoa!
Oh, dude.
Dang, turbo booster. You
got insurance
Can
on
you
this thing?
imagine if? Of course. Can you imagine if he would have hit us?
That would have been terrible. Is he going to your house?
He better not be.
Just turning around.
Dude, can you imagine how many people are jealous that they didn't buy this?
All of the people.
Yeah.
All of the
For
people
sure.
that didn't buy this should be jealous. Because it's only got front brakes, I think. That makes it great for burnouts.
That's true. Holy cow.
Not super great on ice, but still, we can make it happen.
I have something that will make it super great on ice.
What's that?
I don't get that. Why when you turn the wheel does it make, and then it goes away? The defrost, that's what it needs more. Needs more horn, and it needs,
Doesn't need more purple glasses, though.
look at this dude in his CTSV.
Yeah, I bet she thinks it's fast. Don't want to race us.
Dude, it sounds good.
Yeah. If they pull us over, it's because they're jealous.
100%.
This needs a car phone.
Yep. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Dude, it's so it's like, I
mean,
feel like we could comfortably.
It's not really an adventure anymore because it's so reliable and so legit that I feel like we could just go anywhere.
Have we figured out?
We don't know what we have for fuel either.
It says a half a tank. Has it said a half a tank?
It said it the whole time, and which makes me nervous considering the mileage hasn't changed either. That maybe the fuel gauge doesn't work, but you never know.
We're gonna have to be careful. We gotta keep the doors locked.
People are gonna try and steal the accessories.
And dude, like we're both married. The women that are gonna try flocking to this thing.
We almost need a brush guard.
like a cattle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna be throwing themselves at us.
Yep.
When they see this thing coming down the road.
The Undertaker.
Oh man. Could get dangerous.
Ladies, we are happily married,
Yep.
and we are not looking
Not
to pick
even
you up.
considering. Nope. Not interested.
We're already at 8 minutes and 50 seconds on the timer on the dash.
Yep.
Someone's pay up, suckers.
The lights are all on in the rear.
Oh, the lights are on in the rear.
So,
How did that happen?
I don't know.
Is that what I smell?
It could be an electrical fire. Is it?
What do you mean? It smells very bad. Maybe turn those off. Can we turn those off somehow?
I'm serious.
It smells really bad. I'm gonna exit. What is that smell?
Let's just roll the rear windows out. Just crack the rear windows. It'll be fine. Perfect.
Did it go?
Yeah, we're good now.
Try that.
We're just
Oh.
venting.
Maybe we should turn the defrost off.
That's what it is. It's the defrost.
And then maybe crack our front windows.
There.
And then that should keep the barometric pressure up.
How's your? Can you roll my window down?
Oh yeah, it's on a child safety because you're a child. Okay,
Perfect.
do you think we should turn the rear lights off?
No, I think that was the defrost. 100%.
Dude, tunnel. Ready?
Yep. I don't feel like the tunnel made it any louder.
No, not really. It smells really bad.
I think it just needs to get ran and up to temperature. Did you shut this off though for sure?
I did for sure. Did I hit a switch here or something?
There's smoke. Like, you see this right here?
That is smoke, huh? Oh,
We need to get over. We're burning up.
dude. This person's not trying to let us. Oh, it's smoking bad.
It's possibly on fire.
It's smoking bad. That's a lot of smoke.
Can we roll the windows down more?
Okay,
burning.
It's burning. We got smoke. Smoke them if you got. How do we turn that off?
It's not.
Oh. Oh, for Pete. Dude, it smells bad.
I bet you where we straight piped it, it's now mad at where it's being straight piped at.
Oh, it smells terrible.
Yeah.
It smells like a fire.
It's the exhaust.
You think so? Why was it coming through the vents? Dude, we only made it like 5 miles. What are you seeing? Anything? That's a nice rug you got there.
I don't know, maybe we just run it.
Well, you were gonna, but do you think it's something serious?
Fire's scary in the desert, but not here.
Here, I'll stand here and guard you. Yeah, it smells relatively worse right here.
I think the exhaust is burning the floor on your side.
I'm gonna start on fire?
Your half.
You think it's burning off residual what?
Well, we don't really know. Could be.
Because it was smoking.
And it was coming up through here, but I mean, that doesn't surprise me. This could be under, it could just be.
It was pouring out of the vents.
How's the temp on the engine?
It says cold.
Oh, well, then it should be fine. I think we're okay. Oh, we're stuck.
Dude, we're totally stuck.
This is why we need a locking differential. If we had a locker right now, this wouldn't be a problem. Or an LS. Want me to push? You might have to push. We're stuck.
No, dude, we'll get it.
I'll push.
No, I got an idea. Like that. Oh, good. Tesla. I didn't even hear it. See it?
Just tire noise.
Take the wheel. We're backing down an on-ramp. Dude, this will get them.
So yeah, I mean,
Long trips, maybe not.
I think we need, instead of just disconnecting the pipe to make it straight pipe, we have to actually
We
do
have to
something with
route it.
them.
If it starts on fire, we instantly have to do donuts because you know how mad everyone's gonna be.
That we didn't get
That we
donuts
didn't
done
get
before
donuts
the car burned up.
done.
Yeah, it was rolling smoke in here pretty good though.
Dude, it's just a couple of.
We just need like a little piece. I mean,
It just needs to come off the
he
headers.
disconnected it, which was perfect, and that's what we asked for.
Yep.
So that was good. But what we need him to do now, or what we need done now, is we just need exhaust built from where he disconnected it.
Correct.
So
we'll find someone.
yeah, I think it's shooting flames, and we just don't know it yet. I know, it's an animal.
There's that smell again.
Whenever you run it at any type of speed,
Dude, you're at 38 minutes and 54 seconds.
yep.
That's getting expensive. There's no way we've been out driving for 40 minutes. I think that thing whines faster.
No.
It's genius. That's how they make their money.
Even, yeah, I like it. Smells like it's burning again.
It is, yeah, for sure. Oh, look at all the smoke going through the dash.
It's coming from under your seat.
It's a weird dilemma. Well, before it starts on fire, where would you like to stand?
You want me like in the middle of the road?
I mean, I wouldn't say middle of the road, and then just get a nice cruise by, and then
You want me low?
wherever, and then I'll remember to pick you up for sure, though.
Can I just say, if it does start on fire, I want you to still go through with the drive-by.
100%.
I want flames.
100%.
was close. I almost died. Oh. All right, kids, when you're filming rolling shots, just stay on the side of the road. That was too close. I mean, you don't know until you know. Hey, that worked good.
I don't know if I have flashers.
Dude, I want you to know something. That last time when you came by,
Yeah.
I stepped out one step too far.
Did you almost get hit?
I almost died. I cannot wait to see the video. You were coming, and right as the car got close, I took one more step to the outside, and it was like terrifying. You have no idea how fast you came. How did that turn to 14? Oh,
46?
46, yeah.
Yeah. Well, it goes up double the time it actually
Dude,
is.
that was, I almost, yeah.
Sketchy one?
Yeah, I probably should just stayed on the side road instead of trying to get that really good action shot. Which
Was it sweet?
It's, yeah.
There's
Smoking.
a tremendous amount of smoke.
Was it really?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we just have to burn off whatever is there.
Yeah, the floorboard.
I think it is actually burning. I think there's insulation or something under
Straight piping the limo leads to cameraman death.
there. Butt almost dies straight piping the limo. Oh God.
So guys, I've got to be honest with you. The video was completely done for straight piping the limo. And what we did is we had taken the exhaust off. I talked about it 10 times already, but we had taken the exhaust off. We had left it there so that if something came up, we have driven it for some miles, and there's a couple things. First thing is, if you go over 55 miles an hour, the car starts on fire underneath it. It starts burning the insulation that's around for the sound deadening and for the heat proof, or the heat pad thing. It literally starts it on fire. We're gonna actually go in right now, drop the car off. We should have it back tomorrow, but we're redoing the exhaust. We're gonna give it a better, oh, I gotta be careful. She's about to start on fire. It sounds great, but we need to address the fact that we're just burning underneath the car. All right, so we are here at RMF. The limo is back. It is done, and it is freaking sweet. Look at those pipes. All right, let's see what we got here. It sounds so good. Oh yeah! They got the wiring all fixed up. Oh man. All right guys, so huge shout out to RMF Auto in Hudson, Wisconsin, and also BeerTech Auto in Hudson, Wisconsin. They both worked on this hot rod. We got the front end figured out without, since we almost died in it. And then we also got, RMF got the wiring all figured out in the back, so the lights all work. And check this out in the sun. Look at this. Boom! It looks so sweet, and it sounds so good. One more for the road, and then we are out of here. It's not a cold start, but it's freaking awesome. And with that, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you want to see next. We already have some plans. We've got some big, huge craziness going on with my Lambo that probably will be in the next video. And yeah, go buy some merch, LamboDad.com. Peace.